Now, I wanted to show you. I had just celebrated my birthday on Friday. I am 56 years old. You know, you could tell in the eyes it's getting there. But I just wanted to show you. I'm telling you, Ulta, I don't like the way Ulta's doing it anymore. I used to rack up on freebies, samples and stuff, and they're not doing that anymore. Last year they had a full-size microdermabrasion, which some women can't use because of sensitive skin. So that was stupid. And Sephora used to give me a lot of samples too. But at least Sephora's is a little bit better, you know. So let me show you. Well, first let me show you Ulta. Mario Badescu. It says for all skin types, but this says that it's a rose water facial spray. That was from Ulta. This was from Sephora. They in the email it showed something different, but then I realized they had four things if you order online. I was thinking of getting the NARS bronze, the bronzing lipstick and bronzer, which I usually use as contour. But they just had this and milk makeup. I really didn't want the milk makeup, so it's just skin cream. I think this is for the lips. But you know, something I know I'm always gonna use. Now this was awesome because they give you $5 off of a purchase, any purchase. And I already had a $5 coupon, and I was allowed to put them together. And all I basically paid was like $1 something for this. My resin got thick, and so I don't think I could use it anymore. And I really, really need to do something about these two fingers that keep breaking all the way down. So, gonna have to do something about that. And then, this year, CVS gave you a choice of like three small things. It could be a hand sanitizer. I can't remember what the other one was, but I opted for the facial mask. So I got coconut pineapple. It was either that or chocolate coffee, and I was like, let me just do the coconut pineapple. So that's not bad, you know. So those are the makeup freebies that I got. I got other things like I joined Chipotle or Chipotle or whatever, however it's pronounced in English, but I joined Chipotle and because I feel like it's a healthier option when you're out, and so I got like free chips and guac. So I don't think you even needed to purchase anything, but we ate there on my birthday. We went to a little bit of a nicer place for like lunch, and then we just had that because we knew we were going to be hungry again at the end of the day. So I got like a free bundt cake, a little buntlet, small bundt cake, and I got a free dozen Krispy Kreme. So those are some of the other freebies. Walgreens and Target, I'm sorry, but they suck because they give me 5% off of a purchase, which doesn't even cover the taxes here in Texas. Or even New York. In Texas and New York, it's over 8%. I think that North Carolina started out at, I don't know if it was 5 or 6 and went up to like 7. So, doesn't even cover the taxes. It's like, basically what they're saying is we want your money. They're not really giving me anything. So I didn't even bother with that. But I saw this and I fell in love with it. I saw this on Instagram, and it's a makeup eraser. It's like a rainbow 7-day set. Supposedly you just wet it and you don't even need makeup remover. I don't believe that, but I'll find out. And it's almost too pretty to use, but you open it. It comes in a bag, so I love that. And then it also comes in a laundry bag because you're gonna lose these if you put them in your wash. So you put them in here so you don't lose them. And I love my rainbows. So it comes with 7 colors. It comes with like a gray. Then you've got your purple, your blue, your green, yellow, orange, and pink. So I just kept eyeing it and eyeing it, and the lady's like, "Do you want that?" I'm like, "You know what? It's my birthday." So I got it. I think it was $25. But for you're getting a 7 days worth of wipes, reusable, as opposed to throwing out the wipes. It comes with a bag and a laundry bag. I just felt that it was worth it, and I was like, it's my birthday. Let me treat myself. So I got that, and I kind of made a mistake when I bought this, but I'm not worried because it's water based. But I've been seeing a lot of women, and I'm scared to buy off of Amazon makeup because they get their stuff from China, and we already know that that stuff is not sanitary, right? But I keep seeing different people saying, "Oh, they got a neon eyeshadow pigment." Some of these brands, they charge like $50, and that's on sale for a set of neon pigments. And I wasn't about to do that. I ain't about that life. So anyway, I can say that I have too much makeup to be spending $50 on neon. So I started looking through Amazon, and a lot of them, these pigments are really for like nail polish and crafting. But some of them said, you could use them as eyeshadow. They didn't say it was eye safe, but they said you could use them as eyeshadow. So I just started looking through all the neon pigments, and this one it has, the green turned around, but it's got let me see, like 12, 2 gram, which I thought was 5 grams. I thought that's what it said in the description, but of neon pigments. And it said, for crafting and nail polish. It didn't say for eyeshadow. I didn't realize it until after I got it, but I'm not worried about it because it's water based. So, I want to play around with that. Oh, I finally fixed the green. Here we go. So it comes with a red, and then a dark pink and a regular pink. It even has a white. These are reactive, so you put them under the black light. Like Cryolin has a white, a pink, and a black. Obviously, it's not neon, but it is reactive. They have one more neon that I have, but I don't really have the eyeshadow to match. Not even through this. It's a lime neon green. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that one. But anyway, yeah. So this has regular yellow, lemon yellow, which it's gonna be that yellow that has a green tint to it. So it does have the red, which I like, but then it has like 3 different oranges, like red orange, yellow orange, and regular orange. And so you got the purple and the blue, and then the regular green. So it was cool because this is like, the other ones were like, and some of them were under 10, but some of them you had to add the shipping, so it went over 10. And I was like, if I'm gonna spend some, and this was like free shipping, and it was $17.99, I think. So I think with the tax, it was definitely under 20. And if you're part of Amazon Prime, well, no, I applied for the Amazon store card, and I get points. It's not like you can't do a lot like I do with PayPal. I can get away with doing maybe $100 purchase that I could pay over time. You got to pay this by the first of the month. But the good thing is I get points. I have $40 in points, so this was free. So that is really cool. So I got this for free. So I'm a little nervous because it didn't say eye safe, but again, it is water based and it's black light reactive. And then the other thing, Physicians Formula decided to make 2 safe kits. They were $20 each, but for what it contains, I think it was pretty worth it. The first one, I love my Rose It says Rose, take the germs away, and it comes with gloves, a face mask, the paper face mask. It comes with a another uh, hand sanitizer. I've got four because they keep giving them to you free. So like that first order I put in last year, just because I wanted that and I didn't feel like spending $5 on a $2 hand sanitizer. And then I found out later, it's like I could have saved my money and just got that. They had them at HEB for $3, and then whenever I put in a physician's formula, I get one free. So that was a waste. But I don't. This I feel is well worth it. So it comes with a lip mask. It comes with hand cream. Let me see. It comes with a mask. Ow, 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 ow. My hands. And it comes with gloves. And the gloves and the hand cream is because people, they put it in at night and leave the gloves on. I can't do that because it'll drive me nuts. I wouldn't be comfortable. But I just really thought that was cool. So I got both. But let me just show you. The Rose is another hand sanitizer. Lip cream, hand cream. And then it comes with a sheet mask. Sorry about the light. It comes with a face mask, which kind of looks small. I wear my face mask with a silicone over it, because I can't breathe in these things. I don't care what people say, that there's nothing wrong with it, that you get used to it. No. There was one time I felt like I couldn't breathe at all. I had to take it off. And thank goodness I had another one in my bag because I couldn't do it. So this looks kind of small. I don't know if I'd get away with wearing it with the silicone. But yeah, I loved it. I love my rosé stuff. I love rose scent. I love what rose does for your skin, rose creams. I love it. So I noticed that this one puffs out, which is good because it's not suffocating you, but still I would wear it with my silicone. So I guess it would work, you know. Oh, and then you can adjust the straps. That's really nice. For $20 you get all of this. And the gloves. I love these gloves. They're so cute. They have the roses on them. I wouldn't wear them. Maybe if it's cold, if it ever gets cold again. But yeah, so they also had the butter formula. So I got them both. I think these are well worth it for $20. So you get the same thing. So you get your sanitizer, your lip cream, your hand cream. Get your sheet mask for your face mask, and it has like leaves on it, I guess, and then the gloves. So I think it is well worth the $20. And that the other one's called Rosé Take the Germs Away, and this one is called Butter Believe I'm Keeping It Safe. So that's what I got for my birthday this year. So yeah, and again, still no word on anything. I keep checking Ulta because I don't want to go through what I went through last year with the Hello Kitty, although my Melody collection. And I keep checking Ulta, you know. I notice a lot of places. The only thing I notice is that a lot of places made their makeup, just the way they sectioned everything off there. I see less makeup. Dollar Tree, the only thing I'm seeing is that they're sending out repeats of last year's stuff. The summer vibes, the spring whatever. Everything is the same exact thing they had sent out last year or the year before. So nothing really new there. And yeah, just I haven't heard anything new. You know, because by the end of February, if there was going to be a spring collection, it would have been out by the end of February, beginning of March. Nothing. And they'll probably would have started announcing anything for the summer. But nothing. We're already in March. So I don't know if there's going to be anything new. But yeah, I haven't really heard anything about that. So yeah. So that's what I got for my birthday. And so yeah, hopefully I'll see you next week. As long as there's no emergencies or craziness happening. So yeah, take care. Mwah. Bye.